Hi everyone, my name is Michael, and today I'm ready to teach you some math magic. Have you ever wondered how some kids in your class, they do math so quickly, so easily, and they're so accurate? Have you ever wondered how they do it? You know, the truth of the matter is there are secrets behind it and there are magics behind it. And today, I'm about to teach you one of the most fascinating magics. That's multiplying any two double-digit numbers. Hello， 大家好这里是 Michael 老师。今天呢，我们教大家怎么样快速的做任何两位数的乘法。Okay, so let's get started. You know, if you practice and you do this the right way, you can basically do any two double-digit multiplication within 3 seconds. Easy, just like that. Okay, so let's get to it. The first example I'm going to give you is, let's say, 15 times 26. Okay? Now, I'm going to break it down to 3-4 simple steps. So when you do it in your head, just follow these simple steps. Step number 1. Times, the 2 tenth digit numbers, okay? So in the first number, the 10th digit number is 1. In the second number, the 10th digit is 2, right? So 1 times 2 equals 2, right? Equals 2. And that is 200. 10 times 10 is 100, right? So that's 200. So write that number down here. 200, okay? Now, step number 2. The 2 single-digit numbers time each other, okay? So it's 5 times 6 equals 30. So it's 230, right? Write it down here. Step number 3, and this is the most interesting step, okay? Cross times the 10-digit number and the single-digit number. 1 times 6 is 6, right? And 2 times 5 is 10. And plus those two numbers, okay? Add up those two numbers equals what? 16, right? Okay? Because we have tens digits here, so it's actually 160. So write down 16 here. And add them up, 390. Step number 4, add them up. And bingo, there's your result. 15 times 26 is 390. You can take out your calculator and give it a quick check. It's 390, trust me. Okay, so that's how you do it. 4 simple steps. If you practice and you do it in your head really quick, you can do this in 3 seconds. Within 3 seconds, you can get this done, okay? Step 1, 10th digit times 10th digit. And write the number in the hundredths digit. Step 2, single digit times single digit, and write number in the single digit, okay? If it's over 10, write it like that. Step 3, cross times the double digit and the single digit, and add them up, right? And then step 4, add them up. That's your result. Now, let's try another example. Okay, this time, let's use a number that's a little bigger or a little harder. Let's try 32 times 43. 32 from 43. Same process. Step 1, 3 times 4. 3 times 4 equals 12, right? So, let's remember, it's actually 30 times 40, so it's 1200, okay? So write down the number here, okay? And this is the 1,000 digits, 100 digits, 10th digit, and single digit right here, okay? So it's 12. Step 2, 2 times 3 equals 6, right? So we write it down here, 0, 6. Step 3, that's cross times, right? The 10th digit times the single digit, and the single digit times the 10th digit here, right? So 3 times 3 equals 9, plus 2 times 4 equals 8, and that's 17, right? So 17, write it here, okay? Step 4, add them up, 1, 3, 6, 7. That's your result. If you do it often enough, and if you really know what you're doing, you can really do this very fast in your head, within seconds. All right. So now you're asking me, can we do an even larger number? Okay. This is still too small, too easy. Sure, no problem. Let's try another number. Let's try an even larger number. This time, let's try 68 times 76. Okay, these are big numbers, right? No problem. We can do it. Step 1. 10th digit times 10th digit, right? 6 times 7. 42. Remember, this is actually 4,200. Okay, so write it down here, 4,200, and that's the 10th digit here and single digit here. Okay. Now, step 2, 8 times 6 equals 48. 48. Step 3, let's do the cross times. Okay. 6 times 6 equals 36, plus 8 times 7 equals 56. And how much is that? That's 92, right? $92 is actually 9 and 20, okay? Step 4, add them up. 8, 6, 1, 5. So the result is 5,168. Now, you can take out your calculator and give it a check. I'm pretty sure it's the right answer. All right, so this basically gives you a very simple step-by-step. That's a mind trick or mind magic to do any 2 double-digit numbers times each other. And we can get the results very quickly, within 3 seconds, if you practice, okay? Now, does any one of you, now here's a challenge for you, okay? Why does it work like that? Can any one of you tell me why we can do this trick like this way, okay? Can anyone tell me what's the theory behind it, okay? If any of you watching this video, if you can tell me, you can send me a comment, okay? You send me a comment and I'll tell you the theory behind it, okay? So now, if you find this interesting, and if you find this helpful, and if you want to see more of this kind of video, please subscribe me and please like me, or you can even hit that bell down here. So every time I come up with a new video, you'll be the first one to know, okay? And that's it for today. I'll leave it with 3 homeworks, okay, for you. Now the first one is 25. Let me get another pen. Seems to be running out of ink. The first one is 25 times 16. Second one, 37 times 44. Last one, 95 times 68. Now use the 4 simple steps that we taught here today, and see if you can do it in your head in 10 seconds at least, okay? Now that's it. Thank you everybody for watching. Remember to subscribe or like me, or send a comment to me, or press the bell sign down here, okay? Until next time, see you everyone.